National Electric Code, Section 800.40 requires identification of conduit or cable containing power-limited fire alarm signals, such as those used for CCTV. The National Electric Code specifies acceptable colors for power-limited fire alarm conduit, including orange, pink, purple, and grey with yellow caution tape. When undertaking CCTV projects, consider the best practices for conduit identification. A highly visible and reliable method involves painting all exposed conduit. Alternatively, painting only the tube clamps and junction boxes is acceptable, particularly if the conduit is not exposed or is concealed behind walls or ceilings. Consider a few additional factors to ensure professional and compliant installation. Firstly, use a durable paint specifically designed to adhere to metal surfaces and withstand outdoor conditions, if applicable. Secondly, apply 2 coats of paint to maximize visibility and provide enhanced protection. Thirdly, stencil or label the conduit with the appropriate code designation, for example, power limited fire alarm. Fourthly, coordinate with other trades on site to avoid potential color conflicts with other systems such as electrical or plumbing. While the National Electric Code only mandates identification of conduit containing power-limited fire alarm signals, it's a best practice to paint all exposed conduit or, at a minimum, the tube clamps and junction boxes. This ensures clear and consistent identification throughout the installation, promoting safety and facilitating future maintenance or modifications. Remember to always consult the latest edition of the National Electric Code and local regulations for specific requirements in the area. The information presented here is intended as a general guide and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice or code compliance.